No, don't do that. He's big, Desmond. Don't antagonize him. So we're at China Ranch Date Farm, right next to Death Valley. And this is a nature preserve. It's a nice day. It's only 67. Perfect day to hike. Goodbye, there's Desmond. It's just so rugged. It's so beautiful.
We're at the China Ranch Date Farm outside Tonopah. Is that
China Creek?
China? I don't know. China Creek? China something. Once again, we're not quite sure where we are.
So there's actually dates on the trees right now.
Looks like it.
Yeah, came at a good time.
All you can eat.
Yeah.
Gosh, they're everywhere.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
I remember when we were in Amargosa, we saw lots of date farms.
Yeah, I'd love to come find out, where we can hike and where we can. Look at that little thing. Yeah, I told them we just come down here and park out of the way, and then when they're done and gone, we'll be setting up over there. We're out in the desert, and here's water running. It's cool today too.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is a harvest host. There's a trail network that's beautiful, and we're gonna spend the night at the date farm. We've got a loaf of date bread. We got
And
a
a
chocolate chip date cookie. Later on, we're gonna get a date shake.
So now we're walking 3 Mile Trail.
So we're gonna walk a little bit, see what we find. Interesting artifacts out here, like 1930s cars.
Yeah, and there's like some mines that are boarded over or hurricane fenced over. They were gypsum mines and silver mines.
Between 1915 and 1918. We are going out to the Slot Canyon. It's really cool. It's late October.
Well, and there's a cold front coming through. Because
Yeah.
in a few days, it's going to be warmer here again.
So it's warmer here than it has been where we've been staying. But it's cool for
67
the perimeter
today?
of Death Valley. So this is a small museum here at China Ranch that gives the history of the little oasis and the development from the first Chinese settler who farmed the area through today, including the current family who are Fairbanks family related to the Modines, and there's a photo of Matthew Modine and Travis playing cards. Great history here. This is an amazing harvest host. Probably, you know, given the stark contrast of what's in the oasis here versus the surrounding area, this is possibly the most beautiful harvest host we've ever been to. So the dates are covered with these bags. Some of the bags are open, some aren't, and that protects them from birds and pests before they're harvested. There are tons of coyotes here. We've seen a couple walking right past us, but I haven't been able to get any video of them. You see footprints everywhere. They're just cruising around. What was that all about? Silly girl. You're such a good girl. You want more food?
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out.